Find or read reviews that people are talking about VINGLI Tall Beach Chair, 2-pack. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Enhanced comfort. With 5-level adjustable backrest, the lay flat beach chair has high seat and backrest for optimal joint and back support. Perfect for seniors and adults seeking extra comfort. More storage space. Beach chair with cup holder is equipped with 2 storage bags and a towel bar, which allows you to store more stuff. Lightweight and portable. Tall backpack beach chairs for adults only weigh 8 pounds. Foldable design with convenient hand straps for easy transport and storage. Sturdy construction. Heavy-duty beach chair is made with premium powder coat aluminum for stability and durability. Easy to fold. Effortlessly unfold and fold in seconds. Beach chairs for adults 2-pack can simplify your beach relaxation. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.